This drawer system completely changed the way I work out on my 4Runner. Everything finally has a place. My camera gear, my camp gear, chargers, I even have room to run power so I can charge my laptop, batteries, and other gear just right from the back. Before this setup, I was digging through tons of bins and cases, and honestly, it was a waste of time. But now, everything is just set up and ready to go. My name is Spencer Murray, and I run Rogue Runner Films. It's a production company built around working in the outdoors and out in the wild, and I shoot branded content, commercials, and I shoot a lot of work in places most people wouldn't be able to bring a full production. And my 4Runner has become my production rig. It's my base camp, and sometimes it's my bed, thanks to Solid Wood Worx. I've partnered with Solid Wood Worx to install one of their full drawer systems to my 5th gen 4Runner. Everything came pre-cut and ready to build. This system includes 2 full extension drawers, side cubby panels, a bed extension platform, and customizable false tops and organization cubbies. This system is very modular, it's clean, and it's very usable for the kind of mixed adventure film work that I've been doing. The left drawer is mostly my camp and utility side. I got my stove, pans, kitchen utensils, and also recovery straps and camping accessories. This drawer basically lets me cook, repair, and camp in the backcountry on a whim. And the right drawer is more of my film zone. I got my camera batteries, filters, drones, mounts. This is still evolving, but even now it's massively sped up how I prep for my shoots. One of my favorite features are these removable dividers. You can create a ton of different sections per drawer, which keeps everything tight and in place to where it's not going to slide around while you're driving in the backcountry. And then covering each drawer are the false tops. I have 3 bamboo cutting boards and 1 stainless steel surface. They double as a prep space, work tables, and cutting boards. This bed extension is really solid. I use it for extra storage space and also to sleep in the back when I'm on a multiple day shoot. Paired with a good pad and a sleeping bag, this becomes a really good camping system. I'm still upgrading and dialing this thing in, but already this setup has made my workflow faster, more focused, and honestly more enjoyable. Whether you're an off-road camp enthusiast or looking to integrate it into your business, this is the system that you're looking for.